Lesson 9B. Using pen. Before going further, we have to learn about blocks under pen category. Can you point out the pen category on your screen? Yeah, correct. Under Scripts tab, we have a category called pen. These blocks have instructions to leave a trail of ink when the sprite moves, to change the color and size of the trail, etc. Let's look at an example using Mr. Snail. Exercise 1. Mr. Snail in the farmyard has to move 200 steps, and while walking, he should leave a trail of brown color. Step 1. Import snail sprite and farmyard backdrop from the farmyard library to the stage. Step 2. Place the Move 10 Steps block in the scripts area. Delete 10 and enter 200 as snail should move 200 steps. Step 3. Now Mr. Snail must leave a trail. Select pen category, drag and drop pen down block below Move 200 steps block. Pen down block will leave a trail as soon as the sprite moves. When you click on any of these two blocks, Mr. Snail moves, leaving a blue trail or line. But our task is to leave a trail in brown color. To do this, place Set Pen Color to block from the pen category under Pen Down block. Move 200 steps, pen down, set pen color to. Step 4. Set pen color to block sets pen's color based on your choice. To choose a color, first click inside this block. Let's look for brown color on the screen. See, the color of this has changed to brown. Drop Clear block and click on it to delete this existing blue line. Now click on any one of these three blocks to see the brown line when Mr. Snail moves. Come on, let's look at the next exercise. Exercise 2. Instruct Beetle to leave a trail in square shape in the farmyard. Here, we have to make Beetle move, so it draws a square. To turn your sprite in a particular direction, we use a block under Motion category called Point in Direction. Point in Direction block sets the direction of the given sprite. Point in Direction 90. If 90 is selected from the drop-down, the sprite moves right. Point in direction -90. If -90 is selected, the sprite moves left. Point in direction 0. If 0 is selected, the sprite moves up. Point in direction 180. If 180 is selected, the sprite moves down. Now let us see the steps to leave a square trail. Step 1. Import the beetle sprite and farmyard backdrop from the farmyard library to the stage. Step 2. Add Start block from Events category to run the program. Drag and drop Pen down block below Start block to leave a trail or draw a line when the beetle moves. Step 3. Under Pen category, there is a block called Set Pen Size to 1. Place this under Pen Down block. Set Pen Size to 1 block changes the thickness of the pen. Let's set the pen's thickness to 5. Set pen size to 5. Now the thickness of the pen is increased. Step 4. Let us look at the pen's color. For that, use Set Pen Color to block and select a color of your choice. Place this block below Set Pen Size to 5 block. Step 5. Now it's time for the beetle to move. To draw a square trail, the beetle should move towards right from the starting point. Let's make the beetle move 75 steps. So drag and drop, move 10 steps block and change steps count to 75. Step 6. Place point in direction 180 block in scripts area. Step 7. Now it should move down. So use Move 75 steps block and point in direction -90 block. Step 8. Now sprite has to move 75 steps and turn left. So use Move 75 steps block to drag and drop point in direction 0 block. Step 9. Can you guess the next step? Yes. Now beetle has to move up. Beetle should take 75 steps and turn right. So use Move 75 steps block and point in direction 90 block at the very bottom. Wow! We have successfully instructed the beetle to draw a square. You can explore pen category and come up with programs of your own.